from the engineer in charge and all supplies made according to the approval sample. Providing and fixing wash hand basin including all fittings. A. Materials. Wash basin. Wash basin shall be of white glazed earthenware, white vitreous china or white glazed fire clay as specified. The size of the basin may be 630 mm into 450 mm or 550 mm into 400 mm, flat back as specified. For angle back, the size may be 600 into 400 mm or 400 into 400 mm as specifically mentioned. Basin shall be provided with single or double tap holes as specified. The tap holes shall be square. Each basin shall have a